Hi there, thank you so much for waiting. I'm going to show you how to set up and edit email signature. Here is the email signature. I can edit it using Notepad. Just I open it here, and if I want to edit the name, here is the name. If I edit it here, it will be automatically edit in the signature. So it is very difficult to for the untechnical person or who have little knowledge about coding. So let me show you how to easy edit. Let me open it with my Google Chrome. It is very good to open it with Google Chrome because Google Chrome supports all the fonts and all the graphics. So for the Mac user, don't try to open it with the Safari. Always try to use with the Google Chrome. Okay, next thing is I have to select all of these. So I'm going to select it, Control All, and I just copy all of these things. Then I go to my email, and from there settings, I'm showing you with my Gmail. You can do it with all kinds of emails like Outlook, Yahoo, everything. If you want to for all of the emails, I can make another video for you. So I'm using Gmail for this tutorial. I'm going to all settings first because for the Gmail the signature is from the all settings. For the first time there is no signature here. There is here is the right no signature here. So I have to create a signature. I'm clicking here, click a signature. So I write its name, email signature. Then I will paste it here, all of the things, and let me see what's happened is here. Yes, everything is working perfectly. Yes, it's working. So from here, if I want to edit my name, I will go there and add some more text, or you can edit, you can color change, you can change it the color, everything. So it is very easy to change it. If you want to change your photos, just click on photos and remove it, and then add with insert image. If you click it here, it will be replaced with your image. So it is very easy. And suppose if you want to if you want to change the link, just go to the change and you will replace these links. It will be changed in your link. So it is very easy to change everything. And the next thing is I have to select what things I am going to use, because I created email signature. So I select here for email signature for the new email users and the reply or forward use. If for the both segment I want to use email signature, and then I have to save all the changes. So I have saved it. Yes, okay, let me compose a email, and here it is opening. You find that there is an underline with the signature, but for the main signature there was no underline. This is the reason because Google use underline for all the links. So it is the default system for the Gmail. All of the email client like Gmail, Yahoo and Outlook, all of the email clients have different types of structure. So let me send a one signature. Let me send a test for it. So I am just writing email signature test and send it here. Yes, I got the email. The image is loading and it's perfectly work with this one. Okay, if someone click with this phone number, he will be a direct call to your phone, because I linked these numbers with your phone numbers and the email address. If someone click with website, if someone click with in your website, he will redirect to your website, and if he click in your email, it will be redirect to the sending an email to you. And here is your social links. So everything is perfectly work without the font. See, here is the font is working with the font you have provided, but here is not the same font. At this because the Google, the Gmail and the others email client does not support all the fonts. So the best thing is, if you search in the Google email safe font, you will get some fonts name. So this Arial, Bardana, Helvetica, Tahoma, Lucidia, and this kinds of font is very safe font for the email. So these kinds of fonts support all the email client. So maybe this one don't support with the Gmail, but it will be work with your Outlook if you have the exactly that font you have sent me. So you have to first install your fonts in your computer, and then you have to use this signature. But I recommend for using the safe fonts. So here is the test. Everything is working fine and perfect. So thank you so much for watching this video, and thanks for watching for Order My Geeks. If you want to get more service from me, just go to fiverr.com/shahalamkiron, that means Shah Alam Kiran, and go to this link, and you will get more things which I provided, like emails template, email signature, and the responsive emails newsletter, and landing font, and I set up the MailChimp campaign, and so many things. So if you want to get more things, or if you want to get contact with me, just click it here and you contact with me. Thank you so much for waiting and watching.